If you want to expand an image and create new details beyond the original frame, Leonardo AI Outpainting is a fast and powerful way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to outpaint in Leonardo AI step by step so you can extend your image, add creative elements, and guide the AI to generate a seamless result. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Leonardo AI homepage and look at the sidebar on the left. From there, find the Canvas Editor option and click it. This is where all of the inpainting and outpainting magic happens. Once the new window opens, you'll see the editor interface, and on the left side, you'll find the upload option. Click upload and add the image you want to outpaint. After your image is loaded, take a look at the right panel. This is where you can adjust your resolution settings before generating. So if you want a larger or cleaner final result, this is the place to do it. Next, make sure the mode is set to Inpaint or Outpaint, depending on how Leonardo labels it in your version. This setting tells the tool that you want to generate new content around or inside the image rather than creating something completely new from scratch. Now you'll notice the purple box on the canvas. This purple area is your generation workspace. Anything inside this area is where Leonardo AI will create the new expansion or fill in the missing parts of your image. If you want better control over the result, you can use the Sketch Pen tool. The Sketch Pen lets you guide the AI by drawing rough shapes, outlines, or custom details right onto the canvas. This is especially useful if you already know what kind of object, background, or extension you want added. For example, you can sketch a horizon line, a building edge, extra scenery, or any shape that helps the AI understand your vision more clearly. Once you've set up the workspace and added your guide marks, it's time to enter your prompt. Be as descriptive as possible here. Tell Leonardo AI what you want the outpainted area to look like, and include details like style, lighting, colors, environment, and composition. The clearer your prompt, the better the result will usually be. After that, let the AI generate the image. Review the output carefully and see how well it blends with your original upload. If the result looks good and matches what you wanted, go ahead and hit apply to save the changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to outpaint in Leonardo AI using the Canvas Editor, upload tools, resolution settings, sketch guidance, and prompt-based generation. This is a great workflow for expanding artwork, fixing cropping issues, and creating more dynamic visuals in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.